shares can be transferred from other brokers to Zerodha in two ways. The first one is close your cum transfer. In this case, the demat account will be closed and the securities will be transferred to the Zerodha account. To initiate a closure cum transfer, a closure cum transfer form should be obtained and submitted to the other broker along with the Zerodha client mesa report. To get a copy of the CMR, see the What is the CMR copy and where can I get it page over at the Zerodha support. Besides this method, the other method is an off-market transfer. In the DIS slip received from the other broker, enter the details of the Zerodha demat account as required and submit it to the other broker. Some brokers allow online transfer of shares, so you might want to attempt contacting the other broker to know their process for the transfers of the shares. To know how to transfer shares online from your Zerodha account, see the page How Can I Transfer Shares from my Zerodha account using CDSL Easiest. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer stocks from Groww to Zerodha. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.